Every Christmas, we send cards, but this year, we made something a little more special, something more than just paper and ink. A little piece of holiday magic we could create together as a family. We wanted something our kids could actually help with, not just another thing we buy from the store. You know how it is. You want to involve them, but it's hard to find activities that are simple enough but still feel meaningful. So, we decided to make our Christmas card together, turning a yearly tradition into a fun family project. And honestly, the result was more heartwarming than any card we could have bought. This started as a simple 5-second video on my phone, and it turned into a Christmas memory we'll treasure. What you're seeing now is this super fun, festive video we whipped up in just a few minutes. Isn't it awesome? This is a total breeze and so much fun. Trust me, you can absolutely nail it. Way easier than you think. How about we film something fun together? Let your kiddo help out. That's where the real joy is. It makes them feel like they're in charge of the project. Don't worry about professional setups. Just stand near a window for some nice natural light, or in front of the Christmas tree to get that festive glow. Ask them to do something simple. Wave, smile, blow a kiss, or just say Merry Christmas. And please, don't stress about getting the perfect take. The little imperfections are what make it real and full of personality. Now for the fun part. Grab your phone or laptop and open CapCut together. If you don't have it, it's a free app. Use the link in the description for easy download. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see a templates button at the bottom. Tap on that, and then in the search bar at the top, just type in Christmas or even New Year if you're planning ahead. You'll instantly see hundreds of festive, beautiful options pop up. This next step is my favorite because it's where your child really gets to be the creative director. Let them scroll through all the different templates and choose their favorite one. They'll see all sorts of styles, some with falling snow, some with a warm glow, others with beautiful handwritten fonts. When they get to point and say that one, that's the moment they truly feel like the creator of this special gift. Letting them choose is what makes it their project, not just yours. All right, have you picked one? Great. Now, just tap the Use Template button at the bottom of the screen. The app will ask you to select the photo or video clip, choose it, and then just watch the magic happen. In a single tap, CapCut automatically syncs your video to the music, adds all the effects, the text animations, everything. It does all the complicated editing for you. The first time my kids saw this, their reaction was just, wow. It's that moment of instant creation that's just so exciting for them. Now, we just need to make it personal. A template is a great starting point, but the personal touches are what make it feel like a real card. You'll see text boxes on the screen. Just tap on them to edit the message. You can change Merry Christmas to Happy Holidays or add who the card is for, like Merry Christmas, Grandma and Grandpa. Then add your kids' names at the end, like Love, Lily, and Jack. You can even let your child help type their own name. This is where the cool video becomes a heartfelt message, crafted with love. Now, for the best part, gather everyone around and hit play to watch the finished video together before sending it off. See the smiles on your kids' faces as they watch the beautiful card they helped create. This isn't just about sending a greeting anymore. It's about the shared memory of making it the filming, the choosing, the wow moment. You've created a little digital keepsake, a time capsule of this year's holiday spirit. Once you're happy with it, exporting is super simple. You can send it to family and friends through text, email, WhatsApp, or even post it on social media for everyone to see. It's so much more personal and dynamic than a static photo. And it's a wonderful surprise for loved ones to receive, especially for grandparents who live far away. They get to see the kids in action, hear their voices, and feel that connection across the miles. So this holiday season, instead of heading to the store for cards, try spending a few minutes creating something unforgettable with your family. You'll have a unique, personal greeting that everyone will love, and more importantly, a new family tradition that's all about creating memories together. Check out the link in the description for this awesome free tool. You can even snag a free trial for the premium features if you want. Thanks for watching and have a blast creating your own video cards. Merry Christmas, and don't forget to subscribe for more family-friendly ideas.